For over 30 years, clients have trusted OpenDoor to fuel their success with technology. In today's client video story, we highlight Central Air Equipment Limited, CAE, an air compressor equipment sales, rentals, and service company serving Western Canada since 1995. They have a team of about 50 highly trained personnel offering product advice, parts sourcing, design consulting, service support, and hands-on technical assistance. CAE had been operating on Dynamics 365 Business Central since January 2019 from a previous software partner, but were facing some considerable challenges getting organized in their service department. They were recording data in an Excel database that was not directly linked to their ERP system, as well as using paper service reports, which meant the team was slowed down by a lot of data entry duplication, and they struggled with their ability to draw down customer assets onto service tickets. According to Fred Crabb, general manager at CAE, there was a lot of disconnection in our information because we didn't have everything in the same place. It was a patchwork of various spreadsheets, hard copy reports, and files. The Central Air Equipment team ultimately chose ODT Service to complement their existing Business Central system. We felt ODT Service would give us increased functionality, and it was more intuitive than the others, recalls Fred. We also really like Microsoft products, so it was important for us to get something from a good Microsoft partner we could invest in. It took a little over 6 months to implement the new software, which went live in February 2021. Fred felt the implementation process was as efficient as it could be given the amount of data they had to transfer, number of customers they had, and the many different equipment brands they worked on. Since integrating ODT Service, the CAE team have enjoyed increased efficiencies, reduced data duplication, easier access to equipment and customer information, and a new ability to quickly provide quotes to customers. We figured the new solution has enabled a 30% reduction in administrative activities in the office, says Fred. The structure and backbone of the new ODT Service software provided everything needed for what we were looking to improve upon. Fred and his colleagues feel they learned a lot from this experience and would recommend OpenDoor to other companies looking to make an ERP change. If your business is looking to work efficiently on one centralized system, contact us for a personalized demo today.